when you hit the far corner, turn right, but make sure you give them a little space.
Excellent. All right. Come on. And I'm doing
You're gonna go there, we're making a figure eight to that corner,
this corner.
then turn right across the diagonal.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Yep.
Good. Oh, come on,
When
buddy.
you hit the far corner, turn left.
Okay. And you rock, buddy. Come on up here. Excellent. Okay. Go left. Excellent. Come on. There you go.
Okay, go into the middle, the center, and the diagonal, and stop.
Come on.
Awesome.
Oh!
You have a carding dog.
Holy, who would have thought? I thought we were just going to drag stuff today.